Hey, welcome back to Fatigue Shield Ops. We're looking at a very interesting module built into Fatigue Shield, which actually tracks the fairness and quality of life engine. So this is really one which is measuring the fatigue score, the monthly block hour load versus the 75-hour norm. Then it's also measuring the seniority weight, roster priorities adjustments, and the disruption call-in frequency. So this goes the opposite. When the score gets lower, it means that the staff member is actually, his quality of life index is dropping. And as the score goes higher, the quality of life index gets better. So if you look at, this is where your score distribution is. So at this base, which is the Bangalore base, there's only a small number over there who have the quality of life index is really getting burdened. We've got quite a large number there, and some of them who are totally good. And then it also shows you that every base has a score, and the overall scoring is all pretty good. As you can see, for the smaller bases where there are less staff, obviously it looks like the number of callouts or the monthly block pressure seems to get higher. Where there's a lot more staff, it actually gets spread over a larger number of people or staff members, so therefore the QoL drops. Now it also tells you at the extreme end, you've got these three staff members, two captains and one staff member, who are pretty much all on the radar. Their quality of life is showing that they are really burdened with workloads and extreme callouts, and maybe there's been sick leaves and people had to be used to back up and to fill in. So therefore these have to be watched. And the highest QoL is really among these here. First officers, there are two of them and one captain, who have a very good score and are really, really well rested. So that's what this engine really does. So you can score it by different roles. You can look at captains, first officers at Bangalore base. Pursers at Bangalore base are not tracked at all. They all seem to be well. You've got senior cabin crew looking like they're all a little bit on the watch. The index is not that good. Training captains at the Bangalore base. If you look at all, that's your training captains all, cabin crew all, and pursers. So this is a really, really powerful asset to HR, and to look at the quality of life and fairness in rostering, fairness in callouts, fairness in asking staff to do special duties, and it tracks everything pretty well via these bars and these scores. So it's easy to see from a management, from an HR perspective, how your staff are being used and how effectively they're being used, and if they've been unfairly used.